Little Johnny got a new smart fridge, but he thought it was too smart. He walked up to it and said, "Fridge, open up." Nothing happened. So he yelled, "Hey Siri, open the fridge." Still nothing. Then he clapped twice and shouted, "Alexa, ice cream mode." His mom walks in and says, "Johnny, it's a fridge, not a spaceship." So what does Johnny do? He grabs a screwdriver and says, "I'm updating its attitude." 2 minutes later, the power's out. The fridge is beeping in Morse code. Johnny shrugs and goes, "Guess I hacked it. Now it only opens when I moonwalk." Mom, I hate this generation. Johnny, nah, Mom, you just gotta update your firmware. /